everyone, welcome to this channel. Yeah, shout out to everyone watching. Yeah, today so we got Davido in South Africa, spreading love to everyone despite the xenophobic attacks going on, despite the xenophobic attacks to Nigerians, to Ghanaians, to other African citizens. It's crazy right now. Let's watch Davido and Maphorisa. He was chilling with Maphorisa, the South African DJ. Not quite. Let's go. And shout out when Davido was with Tyler at the Coachellas. Yeah, that was a beautiful one. Shout out to Davido, always pushing Africans and not doing otherwise. You already know, loving Africa how it used to be. Shout out to David. Yeah. Shout out to Davido, always showing the act of rise by lifting others, representing it here, helping his friend. Yeah, pushing his friend's brand. Yeah. Let's watch the video of him rocking his friend's brand and showing it off to the world. Yeah, rise by lifting others. Don't forget to rise by lifting others always. Just how Davido thought us. That beautiful life, gang. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, we love you. Shout out to everyone watching. Shout out to the love and the comments we're receiving. Bless up, that beautiful life. Davido will rise by lifting others.